Hello, fellow traders. I'm here again with another one. Give me your time, a few minutes of your time. Now, I'm dropping this trading system completely for free. Do not forget to like this video, leave a comment down below, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. Now, this indicator will be completely available for free in the Telegram channel below in the description of this video. All right. So for you to get this trading system, like I said, it's going to be available for free, but don't forget to like the video. And I must say that this system, when you plug it into your MetaTrader, you're going to see an area where it will ask for a password under the inputs. So when you get there, I'm going to input the password right in this video. So please be on the watch. So what happens is that this shows you the direction of the market, like you see here, up, or down. So when it's up, you mostly take the up arrows. This does not repaint. It does not repaint. And what it does is it tells you how many trades were taken, how many wins and how many losses. And as you can see, based on the maker, he boasts a 90% accuracy. But during my test, it didn't get up to that, but it is actually accurate. You can make some money out of it. So what is self-explanatory? Like you can see the arrow: buy, sell, 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 buy, buy, buy. Let me see. We have another buy, we have another buy, we have another buy, buy, we have sells. But before you take these entries, be sure that this arrow is either up or down. Now, I want you to understand that this is a multifunctional indicator, right? It's a multifunctional indicator. And it includes sub-indicators for trend, percentage change, deviation, momentum signal, trend strength, and currency volatility. So this indicator assesses the up and down trend of each currency pairs. It has an inbuilt ability for false signal filtering. It minimizes false signals, helping traders to focus only on high quality trading opportunities. It also have a compatibility with just MT4, so it can be easily integrated with the MetaTrader 4 platform. Now let me drop the password first. So this is the password to the system. When you plug it in under the inputs, you would see an area that asks for password. This is the password to add. This is the password to add right here. This is the password to add. That is the password to add. So like I was saying, the trading system is quite good. It can identify the trend. So you can use this trend indicator to identify whatever the market trend would be. It gives clear buy sell signals. It only analyzes buy or sell signals according to bullish or bearish markets. Now for a sell, it provides the red arrow. The red arrow appears. And for a buy, you would have the green arrows appear. So you can take this indicator. It's no DLL, no fix. It's completely done for you and it is accurate. So I'll be dropping this next to the video in the Telegram channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please, that's how you support me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.